Hey guys, welcome to episode number 96 of Optimization by Oliver. In this series, I take a brand that I like online that I'm not currently working with, and I show you what I would do if I was in charge of turning more clicks into customers on their store. I literally show you the before and after designs, and I've got a big transformation for you today. For context, that's what we've done, or I've done for the last 12 years. I ran one of Europe's largest CRO and landing page agencies, and there's a link in the description below this video if you just want to chat with me and see what we could do for your company. But let's get into the before and after transformations. So for context, I have zero access to data. I don't know these guys. I don't work with them. I'm doing this purely from heuristics, UX, UI perspective, and showing you what I would do and what I would guess would definitely work for this brand. So we start with the homepage, and it's a big transformation here. As a lot of brands do, they have these huge images. They don't have any other form of social proof or value proposition above the fold, and we've changed that. Now I know with apparel brands, with beauty brands, there has to be a balance between brand and performance, but I guarantee you that our page would make them more money. We've done that by optimizing above the fold. We've added a search icon because with multi-SKU stores like this, a lot of people just want to search. And don't forget the power that a search can generate you, especially on multi-SKU stores. We've added social proof. We have a nice benefit-driven headline and bullet points underneath, a very clear full width CTA further above the fold, and we then even start to showcase the sets and the best sellers above the fold as well. Moving on to the PDP, and again, these guys go for the minimal approaches. They do pretty well with it, but I do feel ours would work better. We have a trust policy bar that helps us get trusted as a brand. Underneath the image carousel, instead of these radial dots, we actually use thumbnails. Thumbnails convert much better, guys. It's a clear visualization that people want to click to see more images. Treat that carousel like it's a landing page, as I keep saying. We then put the social proof a bit higher up. We have the price above the fold. We also have made space for a description plus some benefit-driven type bullet points that just clearly pervade the power and the benefits that customers get out of this product. And we still manage to have the color select above the fold as well. Lastly, some subtle changes to the cart. We further gamified that free shipping prompt with a free gift. Works really well with beauty brands. We've also changed the terminology from pair it with to works best with. Again, think of that as a perception when you're looking at it. When you hear it works best with, you're more likely to purchase rather versus pair it with. We've got clearer outlines of the price. We've got a nice big call to action, and we support it with the guarantee, the payment seals that again just further enhance the trust. So guys, what do you think of this transformation? Do you think it would generate these guys more money, more revenue per visitor? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe and like. And if you want to speak with me and my team, there's a link in the description. See you in the next one.